Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Dell Latitude SIM card not detected. So if you're interested, let's start video. So you might be having some problems with your Dell Latitude here and your SIM card is not being detected. Well, there are going to be a few things that you could do. So first things first here is you want to maybe check your SIM card slot first. So in this case, make sure the SIM card is inserted properly. So remove the SIM card, maybe gently clean it and reinsert it and securely put it into the slot again. Now, also, you might want to basically update a few things like the drivers. So sometimes outdated drivers or corrupted drivers might be the cause of the problem. So in this case, you might want to visit the official Dell website, find your model support page, and download the latest drivers for your SIM card reader. Now, also you might want to check your SIM card's compatibility. Now make sure that your SIM card is compatible with your Dell Latitude model, as older devices may not support newer SIM technologies. And next is you might want to reset your network settings here. Now resetting your network settings can help clear out any connectivity issues. So you want to go to your network settings and select the option to reset them. And finally, the last thing that you could try doing here is to just basically restart your device. Now, sometimes a simple restart can often solve technical glitches. Now, in this case, reboot your Dell Latitude and check if the SIM card is now detected. Now, if none of this or none of these steps actually work, consider testing the SIM card in another device and ensure it's functioning properly. But if it does, then in this case, it works in another device, then most likely the actual problem is going to be your Dell Latitude here or its hardware component. So it's best to contact Dell support for this one. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lineup. Thank you for watching.